This is the first time I'm taking my bike with a Thrive exhaust to office. So hopefully the cops don't catch me because it's way too loud. If you wanna hear it, here you go. It's unnecessarily loud. Sounds like a Harley from far, but then when you come close, yeah, it's a Royal Enfield. So also, you guys, last vlog I tried talking. Turns out my camera was literally facing the tank over here, and then I was talking. So there's no point putting that on YouTube. So let's see how this goes. So I know some spots where cops will be there and some spots where cops won't be. Like this area and all, cops won't be there. Turns out if they are, I'm pretty. Yo, the stairs I get on this road, bro, like they think it's some alien foreign bike or something. So loud, the dogs keep barking and chasing me. It's kind of annoying, but yeah. Bro, as soon as I cross like 3000 RPM on this, the bike is way too loud. I need to keep it below 3000 RPM. Here cops will be there. Usually they regulate traffic over here, so yeah. So you guys were asking how did I flatten the speedo like as level as the triple T. So all I did was just cut over here and then re-weld it a bit more like in a flatter way. So yeah. I have some fuel below half tank. Well, my speedo doesn't work because, you know, last time I went for a ride, the wire was way too loose and dangling near my spokes. I mean, it just got cut over there. So might as well ride at 0 km/h. I can't wait for Pulsar people to just get charged. When they hear the sound, they'll look at the bike. Are the cops? If there's any problem, best way is just drop the bike at the metro station somewhere close by, take the metro and go to work as usual. I'm taking a high risk over here, taking my bike off. Problem, I don't even know Kannada, so if I get caught by cops, I'm pretty much done. My earphone volume. Yeah. Bro, this mirror keeps going up and down. See, I've taped it also. Like, oh, cops are there. Cops are there. Take it nice and slow. Oh, the way he looking, brother. Keep it below 3000 RPM. Bro, it's way too loud for 3000 though. Like the buzz. Okay. Cross. my goodness. So yeah, so these Thrive exhausts are from Indonesia. My friend got it for me. I mean, I have to return it back obviously, so I can't really afford them. They are 70 to 80k a pair with the deal. Yo, this guy has a gun, bro. They're 70 to 80k a pair. So yeah. So on the exhaust itself it says like these are not for roads and these legal stuff. They are only for drag races and tracks for the GT basically. Yeah. Hopefully all this audio is getting recorded. If not, literally I'm speaking to myself. I mean, even though, oh bro, what? I think the cops are there. Oh, let me in. You heard the buzz? That's the Karnataka police. The cops here also. I'm literally riding on neutral. There's a cop on the left also. Pretty much fucked. It's way too loud, bro. Plus a highlighting blue visor on my helmet. With my GoPro obviously giving it away. They don't say what am I blabbering. Clutch in, they're guiding traffic. There you go. Made eye contact. I'm very sorry. Oh, that had to go. Here, the cops are there. Let's go. Here we can do. Oh. Welcome to India traffic. Now it gets loud. There we go. Have some fun. Autos in a line. Chacha is full on. There you go.